If you're looking for new back-to-school laptops, Lenovo has a slew of new value-focused models that would be perfect for the classroom. First up is the Ideapad 330. It comes in 14, 15, and 17-inch sizes. It has an Intel Kaby Lake Pentium processor, and it has HD and HD Plus screens. The 330 weighs about 4 pounds and has up to 5 hours of battery life. As for the ports, it has 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C, an Ethernet port, 2 speakers, and Dolby Audio compatibility. The interesting thing about the 330 compared to the other models we'll see today is that it has an option for an optical drive for those who can't let go of their physical media. You can also add a touchscreen to the display for around $50. The next level up is the 330S. The S stands for slim. It's much slimmer and has thinner bezels around the screen as well. It has an aluminum top and comes in 14 and 15-inch models. The 330S weighs around 3.5 pounds and up and also has around 6 hours of battery life. It has the same ports as the 330, but it has an extra SD card slot. Another cool thing about the 330S is that it has a full HD display. The top of the line, however, is the 530S. It is the slimmest, lightest chassis of the bunch with higher-end components. It has a complete aluminum chassis from top to bottom. It has an option for a fingerprint sensor, and the display starts at Full HD and goes up to UHD. It weighs a little over 3 pounds and has up to 8 hours of battery life. The Ideapad 330 starts at around $400. The 330S starts at around $700, while the 530S starts at around $900. If you want to pick up any of these laptops, they'll be available starting May 10th. Overall, the Lenovo Ideapad line is great for back to school. It has everything from optical drive options to SD card options. The keyboard travel is great, and the bang for the buck can't be beat. For more on these laptops and others, head to Engadget.com.